Hi, my name is Sophia. I'm going into my third year at the University of Guelph, majoring in biomedical toxicology. This summer, I'm a marketing co-op student at Norgen Biotek. At Norgen Biotek, I've currently been working on organizing the weekly publications with my supervisor, Maggie, who is the marketing team lead and RNA expert, as well as a graduate of Guelph University. Together, we ensure our list of new releases and recent publications is updated, and we sort and archive publications from previous years. Research publications help our marketing team by building trust and credibility with scientists, our main users. They provide the reliable information scientists need, making them an essential marketing tool. During my time here, I've worked on creating FAQs using protocols to help customers navigate the website and manage safety data sheets to accurately track components in each kit. This ensures that our customers can easily find information and that all product details are meticulously recorded. I've also supported content creation by developing social media posts, appearing in videos, and organizing email marketing campaigns. One of the highlights of my experience has been creating presentations that I have confidently delivered in front of supervisors and even the CEO. This role has really boosted my skills in technical writing, digital marketing, data management, and public speaking. This co-op placement has exposed me to a wide range of experiences I never thought I'd get.
Sophia has been amazing at connecting complex scientific ideas with practical marketing strategies. Working in a high-standard science company like Norgen Biotek, our marketing department blends science with business acumen. A strong science background is essential here because we need to understand what resonates with the scientist to truly connect with our customers. The University of Guelph's co-op program has provided us with exceptional students like Sophia. She really became the science support in the marketing department thanks to her solid foundation.
My co-op at Norgen has shaped my career goals in biomedical toxicology by providing hands-on experience. This practical exposure gives me a deeper understanding on applying textbook knowledge to real-world scenarios. Inspired by my time spent here, I plan to further my studies in biotechnology, focusing on the complexities of RNA and its role in biomedical research and development. Thank you, Norgen Biotek and the University of Guelph for making this experience possible and helping me along the way.
Norgen Biotek offers unique and unimaginable ways for students to gain experience in their fields, network, and grow. If you're interested in co-op opportunities at Norgen Biotek, follow Norgen's social media to learn more.